Hey there, health warriors. Welcome to another episode of Fun and Healthy Living. Ready to cook up some fun while keeping those calories in check? Let's make healthy eating an adventure. Let's dive right into our top 10 tips to cook healthy meals at home. Get your aprons on and let's get started. Tip number 1. Swap your oils. This is a game changer. Ditch that butter and go for healthier options such as olive oil or avocado oil instead. These oils are packed with healthy fats. Trust me, your heart will thank you later. Plus, you'll feel fancy saying, "I only use avocado oil." It's like a badge of honor in the kitchen. Tip 2. Go nuts with nuts. These little powerhouses are fantastic. Sprinkle a handful of almonds, walnuts, or seeds on your salads and oatmeal. They add a delightful crunch. They're crunchy, delicious, and full of good fats. Plus, they add a satisfying texture to your meals. Just don't eat the whole jar in one sitting. Moderation is key. Tip 3. Veggie overload. Fill half your plate with vegetables. This is a yet effective way to boost nutrient intake. The more colorful, the better. Each color represents different nutrients. Think of it as eating a rainbow without the pot of gold at the end. But hey, the health benefits are worth it. Tip 4. Spice it up. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors. Herbs and spices are your new best friends. They can transform any dish from bland to grand. They add flavor without the calories. Plus, many spices have added health benefits. And hey, you might just discover your inner master chef. Tip 5. Portion control. This is crucial. Use smaller plates and bowls. It helps you eat less without feeling deprived. It's a mind trick, but it works. Your brain will think you're eating more than you actually are. Besides, who needs a mountain of mashed potatoes? Tip 6. Protein power. This is essential for muscle health. Include lean proteins like chicken, fish, and beans in your meals. They keep you full and satisfied. They're filling and keep those muscles strong. Protein is the building block of our bodies. And no, chips are not a protein. Sorry to burst that bubble. Tip 7. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your best friend. Often, when you think you're hungry, you're just thirsty. Dehydration can mimic hunger, so gulp down that water and see if the hunger pangs disappear. Stay hydrated throughout the day. If not, grab a healthy snack. Tip 8. Snack smart. Keep healthy snacks handy. This is a lifesaver. Think fruits, veggies, and yogurt. These are nutritious and satisfying options. Not the triple chocolate fudge ice cream. Sorry, not sorry. Save those for special occasions. Tip 9. Cook at home. This gives you control over your ingredients. Restaurant meals are often calorie bombs. You never know what's hidden in those dishes. Cooking at home lets you control what goes into your food. You can make healthier choices. Plus, you can dance in the kitchen without anyone judging. It's your space. Have fun with it. Tip 10. Have fun. Healthy cooking doesn't have to be boring. Make it an enjoyable experience. Experiment with new recipes, make a mess, and laugh it off. Cooking should be a joyful activity. After all, a happy cook makes the best meals. Your positive energy will reflect in your food. There you have it, folks. Our top 10 tips for cooking healthy meals at home. 10 tips to cook healthy and cut down on those calories. It's easier than you think. Remember, it's all about balance and having a good time in the kitchen. Enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Keep cooking and keep laughing. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy cooking. Stay. This video is for educational purposes only. Please discuss medical weight loss advice that is best suited for you with your doctor. If you don't have a doctor and wish to connect with an online doctor, then look no further. Visit our website for more information. My Home Doc offers affordable medical weight loss consultations via telehealth for Texans. No insurance is required to connect with one of our great doctors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.